Times have changed since Daniel Boone and other daring frontiersmen penetrated the wilderness of West Virginia. The soft morning mists still rise over the sparkling mountain streams. The quiet trails still wind through the forested hills. But West Virginia has found in the wilderness the power and the materials to make this a leading industrial state in a great industrial nation. In the ancient hills, great scoop shovels bite into the vast deposits of dolomite and limestone that stretch all along the eastern counties of the state. Limestone processed in giant kilns into cement for all kinds of construction. Lime to be used in the creation of glass. Lime for the great chemical plants. And limestone for the making of steel. Salt brine was the earliest natural resource to be developed in the state, and today it plays an important part in West Virginia's dynamic economy. Brine wells sunk thousands of feet into the earth pump the salty liquid into huge reservoirs at producing plants in the vicinity of Charleston, Hartford, Mason City, and New Martinsville. Under the wizard-like processes of the great chemical companies, these tanks of brine are turned into chlorides, bromides, and caustic soda. From the chemical plants of West Virginia comes the greatest production of chlorine and caustic soda in the world. Salt brine extracts go into soaps, paper, textiles, dry cleaning chemicals, and firefighting fluids. But some customers prefer their salt straight. Bricks and tile are made from the state's tremendous deposits of clay and shale. Bricks to be used in expanding the facilities of West Virginia's growing industries. Clay, swiftly fashioned by men and machines, is transformed into many types of pottery. And skillful women lend their artistic talents to apply the finishing touches. In Morgan County, near Berkeley Springs, is the largest and one of the finest glass sand deposits in the world. Outstandingly high-quality sands fed into the flowing furnaces of West Virginia factories to be transformed into plate glass and window glass. And into bottles, glowing hot glass formed and shaped in giant revolving molds. Made into fine crystalware, carefully designed and handworked by expert artisans to bring beauty to the homes of the nation. At Milton, glass blowers work with skill and precision, practicing their ancient craft, creating beauty out of molten gobs of glass. The still hot glass is cut with shears, then turned and shaped into delicate designs. And guess what these are going to be? Yes, more than half the marbles made in the world come from West Virginia. This factory turns out more than 1 million marbles every 24 hours to challenge the sharpshooting skill of modern Daniel Boones.